Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Hbar price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Hbar chart, which has continued to hold above a key area of support at around the $0.0639 mark, and we're also trading above the 20-day MA here on the daily chart. And before I get into that part of the technical analysis, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to start the video here on the daily chart by first giving you a recap of what has been happening, where you can see that Hbar, from these low prices that we have been trading within, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, making it to an all-time high at around the $0.58 mark in what I'm terming as a higher Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market, where we had been seeing low prices in this ABC corrective structure, which took us back to around the $0.0356 mark in what I'm terming as a higher Elliot wave count 2. And after seeing the low for that second wave, whatever we expect next is a bounce to the upside in the formation of this higher Elliot wave count 3. And here on the daily chart, I have a target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies at around the $0.9768 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Hbar to do on the long-term scenarios. And getting to the short-term scenarios, starting here on the daily chart, where you can see that we saw a breakout out of this descending channel, also managed to break above the 20-day MA. We continued pushing even higher, managed to break above a key area of resistance at around the $0.0639 mark, and after making our high at around the $0.0808 mark, we have been seeing much of a corrective structure to the lower side over here, and that is after seeing this long wick to the upper side, which was the first indication that we are going to see a bit of a corrective structure because the sellers had started to take over the market. And to give you the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting as a result of this corrective structure, I'll be jumping to the 1 hour chart, where you can see that I have these Elliot wave structures, where you can see that after making our low at around the $0.0356 mark, Hbar started a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that had been obeying the Elliot wave structures, having that as the wave 1, then a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and then a wave 5, making its high at around the $0.0808 mark, and also completed the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And after seeing the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1, that is this Elliot wave structure right here in red, whatever we expect next is a corrective structure in the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 2. And by first sketching out a minimum target area to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gives me a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which perfectly lies between the $0.0584 mark and the $0.053 mark. And that is the minimum that I'm expecting that second wave to the lower side, and also expect to see an ABC corrective structure play out in the formation of that wave 2, having the wave C fully maximizing the formation of these waves, wave 2 to the lower side, and getting to see whether this wave B has done the minimum that we expect a wave B to the upside to do by connecting the Fibonacci's from the high of that wave A to the low of that wave A. We can get a minimum target area between the fib level 0.618 and the fib level 0.5, and you can see we have not yet retraced into that target area, but we have seen a reaction between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.382. We have managed to get into that target area over here twice, and there are chances that whatever we have right here within these key areas on the Fibonacci's could be the high for that wave B, and whatever we are seeing over here could be the retracement to the lower side in the formation of this wave C to the lower side. So I'm expecting one more new low in the formation of this wave C to fully maximize the formation of that second wave to the lower side. And for that to also happen, we also need to manage to break above the key area of support at around the 0.06 that I have shown you on the daily chart. And once we lose that key area of support, then I'll be expecting a retest, then continue pushing even lower to fully maximize our target area. And we also need to have in mind that it is not a must that Hbar fully maximizes this target area to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2. There are chances of seeing a reversal from the prices that we are trading within, and in case that happens, then I'll be expecting an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this higher Elliot wave count 3. So there are chances of seeing a recovery from the prices that we are seeing and not fully maximize our target area to the lower side in the formation of that wave 2. And for that to happen, we also need to manage to break above the 20-day MA so that we can have the support that we need need for us to continue pushing even higher and also see an explosive move, that is an impulsive wave, for us to fully confirm that we are back in the formation of that wave 3, and also manage to break above the wave 1 high, which perfectly lies at around the $0.0811 mark. So in case Hbar continues to unlock higher prices, manage to break above the wave 1 high, then that will be enough confirmation that we are not going to fully maximize this target area in the formation of that wave 2, and we are going to continue pushing higher and fully maximize the target areas in the formation of that wave 3. And also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported. Here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 52 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to support any movements to the lower side in the formation of this second wave to the lower side. And also taking a look at the MACD. Here on the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, and that means lower prices are still coming our way, though we are seeing a bit of a decrease in the selling volume here on the MACD, meaning soon we might be able to print that bullish cross. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.